Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So today I want to make a quick video showing you how to connect the Xbox controller to the Apple Vision Pro and use it. So first you want to go to settings and then go to Bluetooth. Then on top of the Xbox controller, press and hold the sync button for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then the Xbox controller will show up in the other devices section. Once you see it, click on it and give it permission to pair to the Apple Vision Pro, and boom, it's connected. You can even control some of the aspects of the Apple Vision Pro with the controller, like I'm scrolling up and down here using the joystick on the controller. So now I'm going to open up one of the games that I know works with the controller, like this Family Guy kart game. All right, and the best thing to use is Apple Arcade. So that's a subscription, either $6.99 a month or $49.99 a year. That's pretty much the only place that I've found so far that where the controller consistently works with most of the games, or a lot of the games. I won't say most of them, but this is how it works, and I'm fully playing this with the Xbox controller on Apple Vision Pro. Alright, if you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and keep it locked to the channel for future Vision Pro experiences. Thanks for watching.